So you're thinking about moving to Little River, South Carolina, and you're wondering what you can get for right around $300,000. Well, today I'm going to be giving you a tour of a great new construction option, and the best part is it is a townhome. So if you're somebody who hates maintaining the outside of your home and you dread having to mow your lawn every week, then this is going to be a great choice because the HOA is going to take care of all of that for you. Hey, welcome back, and if you're new here, I am Nick, and on this channel I talk about things to do here in Myrtle Beach. I give tips and advice about the area, and of course I talk about the real estate. So if you're thinking about relocating to the area, then be sure to hit the subscribe button below and tap the little notification bell while you're at it. This way you can be the first to know about what's going on here in Myrtle Beach. I get calls every single day from people just like you who are moving to the area. So if you ever have any questions or if I can help you find home here at the beach, then click the first link down in the description to schedule a call with me. So today we're going to be up in Heather Glen taking a look at what you can get for about $300,000. Heather Glen is a new construction D.R. Horton community located just about 5 minutes south of the North Carolina border in Little River, South Carolina. From Heather Glen, you can get to the beach in North Myrtle Beach and the Cherry Grove Fishing Pier in about 15 to 20 minutes. McLeod Hospital is only about 10 to 15 minutes from the community. The Myrtle Beach Airport is about a 45-minute drive with pretty easy driving on Highway 31. And if you want to take a day trip to Wilmington, North Carolina, it will only take you about an hour to get there. I will talk about some of the details of the community after we take a look at the home. So if you're ready to see what you can get for $300,000 in Little River, South Carolina, then hit that like button below and let's hop into it. And here we are outside of what D.R. Horton is calling their Duos model. This is basically just a single level townhome or duplex, and both sides of this building are going to be exactly the same layout wise. They're just going to be flip-flopped. I think maybe the one on the right side has a garage that is a couple inches deeper, but other than that, these are going to be exactly the same. We're taking a look at the one on the right side today because this is their furnished model. That'll give you a pretty good idea of what you can expect and what you can do with the space. So as we walk in the front door here, you're going to see it is a nice wide open living area, open concept. You got a little dining area there. Your first spare bedroom is there on the left. Your primary bedroom is here off of the living room. We'll take a look at that side of the house towards the end. I want to start off with this first spare bedroom here. This one's a little bit more on the smaller side. They're using it as an office, has a small little closet. While we're taking a look at this, I want to let you know that this home here is just under 1,400 heated square feet. It is a 3-bedroom, 2 full bathroom home. And back behind the kitchen here, you're going to have your first full bathroom, your spare bathroom, your guest bathroom, whatever you like to call it. Right next to that, you have a good sized linen closet and a coat closet as well. And then right across from here, you're going to have your third bedroom, your second spare bedroom. This one is definitely a little bit bigger. It's nice because it's tucked off the back of the home here, and it has a little bit bigger of a closet as well. And then from here, we're going to head out and we're going to check out the garage. Cool part about this garage here is that it does have some storage up above, which I think I'm going to overlay a clip of that here as we head out into the garage. So it's definitely nice to have this extra space up here in a smaller home like this, a place where you can store your Christmas decorations, extra clothes, things like that. And it is separated away from the area where you have your HVAC system, so it is definitely designated storage. And from here, we're going to head back through the laundry room, back to the main part of the home. And this will give you a good idea of how open this space is. You got your nice little dining area here. The vaulted ceilings make this space feel much bigger than it actually is, which is a nice touch. And there's tons of cabinets and counter space for a home of this size. A nice size corner pantry here. And then you have your nice bright living area, a bunch of windows letting in the light. And then off of that, you do have your primary bedroom, which again is a great size for a home that is only 1,400 heated square feet. You have a really big walk-in closet, and then right next to that, you do have your primary bathroom with 2 sinks, a nice walk-in shower, and here's another angle of the bedroom from the back side. And then from here, we're going to check out your nice screened in, well, this one's not screened in, your covered patio. This can be screened in. D.R. Horton can also add an extra pad for you here if you catch them early enough in the process, right there in the back. Or you can do it yourself after as well. And the nice part about these duplexes here is you can actually fence in your yard, which is super rare for a townhome. Most townhomes won't let you do that, so you kind of get the best of both worlds. No outside maintenance, but you still get a yard that you can fence in and let the dogs out in, things like that. I'll tell you, when I first heard this model had 3 bedrooms in only about 1,397 heated square feet, I thought it was going to feel a little bit small and cramped, but that is definitely not the case at all. The layout and the vaulted ceilings definitely help the space feel open and spacious. And sure, the spare bedrooms are a little bit on the smaller side, but that is definitely to be expected with a home of this size with such an open main living area. I think the large covered porch with the ability to screen that in, add an extra concrete pad, and fence in your yard more than makes up for those small bedrooms and is a huge plus for this community because most townhome communities are not going to allow you to do that stuff. Right now, there are 6 townhomes currently for sale in the neighborhood, ranging from about $306,000 up to $335,000, with the 2 highest options being resales and the remaining 4 being new construction homes. And with the incentives that D.R. Horton is currently running, there is an opportunity to get one of these right now for right at $300,000. Taxes for a home like this will run you right about $100 per month, and living in this neighborhood, kids will attend the North Myrtle Beach School District. That is North Myrtle Beach High School, North Myrtle Beach Middle School, and Waterway Elementary School. There are more townhome phases coming in the future, so if you're not quite ready to buy right now, then feel free to reach out, give me a call, and we can discuss your options. And if you like the idea of living in this neighborhood, but you're not interested in the townhomes, D.R. Horton is also building a bunch of different single-family home communities in this neighborhood as well, and those prices are starting just under $400,000. So don't forget to subscribe because I'm going to be making more videos about this community in the future. The HOA dues for the townhomes in Heather Glen are $227 per month, and again, that is going to include your exterior maintenance, including your lawn care. The community does have a resort-style swimming pool and clubhouse that includes a fitness center, a yoga studio, and a large event space. There's also a community dog park and a community blueberry garden, and the new sections of this community are natural gas, and once this community is completed, there's going to be about 1,000 homes in this neighborhood. Hey, if you liked this one, then don't forget to hit the like button below and subscribe for more videos like this one in the future. If you're ready to move to the beach, then I would love to chat with you. You can use the link down in the description to schedule a call with me. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.